Hey, food lovers, today I'm going to share with you a delectable secret straight from the Channel Islands. Jersey Royal chips with a luxurious saffron aioli. Trust me, this one's going to blow your taste buds away. So buckle up and let's dive in. First, let's talk about Jersey Royals. These aren't just any potatoes. Jersey Royals are grown exclusively on the island of Jersey, and they've been doing it there for over 140 years. The unique climate and nutrient-rich soil give these spuds their distinctive nutty flavor and waxy texture. Imagine a potato that's got a bit of a tan from basking in the island sun. That's a Jersey Royal for you. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Jersey Royals are protected by law? Yep, they've got a PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, just like champagne. This means that only potatoes grown on Jersey can be called Jersey Royals. It's like they've got their own VIP status in the potato world. All right, let's get to the good part. Making these bad boys into chips. Start by giving your Jersey Royals a good wash. No need to peel them. The skin is where all that flavor is. Cut them into chunky wedges and toss them in some olive oil, sea salt, and a bit of cracked black pepper. Lay them out on a baking tray and pop them into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Roast them for about 30-35 minutes until they're golden and crispy. While our chips are getting all crispy and delicious, let's whip up that saffron aioli. This is where the magic happens. Start by soaking a pinch of saffron threads in a tablespoon of warm water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to release that beautiful golden color and fragrant aroma. In a bowl, mix together a couple of egg yolks, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a clove of crushed garlic. Slowly drizzle in some good quality olive oil while whisking continuously. Patience is key here, folks. You want a thick, creamy consistency. Finally, stir in the saffron-infused water, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. And there you have it, saffron aioli. Time to bring it all together. Your Jersey Royal chips should be perfectly crispy by now. Pile them onto a serving plate, and don't be shy with that aioli. Generously dollop it on the side or drizzle it over the top if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, Jersey Royal chips with saffron aioli. It's a simple dish, but the flavors are out of this world. Perfect for a snack, a side dish, or just whenever you're craving something special. Give it a go and let me know how you get on in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit!